What's up everybody, it's Larry Valley doing a quick video on oil change on a Land Rover Discovery. The easiest way that I found to do it is to use like a screwdriver, a pick or something, and these are going to be facing like all the way this way pretty much. I already did it already, but these little tabs are going to be right here. You got to turn them all the way around. See, they're going to be like this way. There's 1, 2, 3, and then once you get them out of the way, you just pull this down and take off that drain plug bolt. And if you don't do that, you're gonna have to take off all these bolts, all of them, and that's unnecessary. It's gonna waste time. There's a lot of them. Now what I do, guys, is I took the 13mm and I just broke that free. And then once I do that, I take my drain pan, I put it underneath. I take a rag and maybe like a glove, which I don't have on, like a latex glove, because this oil, used oil, is highly cancerous. So go like that, take my hand, okay, see that? It's gonna come off, and then I'm gonna just keep going by hand until it's off. Alright guys, I'm just using a crude tool, like a pick that I found around the shop. So now that oil drain plug is fastened, what you want to do is you want to turn these around the other way. It's gonna be kind of hard to record it and show you guys, but let's see what I can do. You gotta put the camera down for a second, but you pretty much want to spin this all the way around so it locks it in. You want to keep spinning all the way around until it's flush, just like that. And we're gonna want to do those to all three of them. So 1 and 2, all the way around. And then 3. So I'm gonna do all 3 of them. 1, 2, and 3. A little shortcut. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fill up the crankcase with oil. All right, guys. Next is taking off this canister filter. So this isn't the right tool, but it can be used. This is actually just for like a conventional regular filter, but it's gonna grip it, and then as long as you don't break it, you just get the initial bit of pressure off, and then you can just start doing it by hand. And there it is. Now I'm gonna go in, grab the right filter. Now that we've identified the right filter, which is this conventional Molly canister filter, we're going to go ahead and change the seal right here, right there. Remember, this stuff is highly cancerous, so always use PPE as best as you can. Closed a bit right there. And guys, you can just pretty much use a little tiny flathead screwdriver. I mean, any pick. And there it is right there. It's the old one. Put the new one on. Just want to put it on, stretch it as best as you can, and then make sure you fit it right into the same groove, because there's 2 different grooves. It's the same exact one you got it from, and then Take the filter with the name stamp on top. It clicks right in. And now we can go directly. It should go on threaded. There shouldn't really be any resistance. So you want to make sure you thread that on evenly. And then what I do is I clean off any oil. I actually have a Toyota oil filter tool that fits pretty good on here, so I'm just putting a rag under it. I have the proper tools, guys. I just didn't bring it. I'm at the shop. It's a little weekend shop gig that I have, and so here we go, guys. Now I'm going to do is fill up the crankcase with full synthetic oil. You want to use full synthetic on this. This is 2019 Land Rover Discovery. So just clean up any mess you made. You don't want to confuse anything with the oil leak. Go and go one more time to snug it on real quick. There we go. Nice and snug. Full synthetic. I'm gonna go about 5.3 quarts, guys. What's up, guys? So this is a different Land Rover, and I'm doing another oil change just to prove to you that you can do it with this. And this is a completely different. Once again, everybody, you want to get it started by hand, and then you want to use a oil filter cap tool or canister filter tool. Not this. This is a Toyota one. Like I said, I'm at the shop right now, and this is just like a weekend shop gig, so I don't have really any of my tools here. Really nothing. So let me show you. And there you go. No, not that part, but let me go and fish that out real quick. Stop burning myself. So I just use this tool, which is a conventional oil filter tool. Matco makes this, but you can get it from anywhere. I got this for $9. This is for Toyota canister filter. just did the job twice in one day. So there you go, guys. This is a different Rover. All right, I'm gonna show you guys again real quick, briefly. All you have to do, like I said, on the first Range Rover is move this 180 degrees, move this 180 degrees, and then move this 180 degrees. It'll come off. Then you can pull this down, and then you can use a 13mm. Take that off.